Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's video, tuturuan ko po guys kung paano mag clone ng hard disk drive SSD. Okay? So guys, itong plano ko is ma-migrate ko yung operating system ko. Okay? Na-transfer ko yung operating system ko. Drives na to na naka-store yung operating system to SSD. Okay? So ito yung SSD ngayon guys. Gagawin ko, i-copy ko yung operating system to SSD. Okay? So, yan guys. Okay, so first guys, kung paano load yung operating system SSD. Okay? Gagawin natin dito. So, gagawin natin is mag-download tayo ng software. Okay? So, Minitool version 10. Okay? Yan. So, ito is upload niya yung laman ng disk 1, disk 2. Okay? So, natin, download natin ito guys to download. Okay? Pag-download nyo yan, basta din nyo yung download, may install yan. So, yan. Yan. Magda-download na yung particular 10.exe. Okay? So, sa akin guys, is since ako'y naka-install na nito, software na to, okay? Open ko lang siya guys. Yan. Ito yung dito partition. So, okay. Gagawin ko is i-download ko yung HDD to SSD. Okay? Sa operating system ng Windows 10. Okay? Click lang natin to guys. Mini partition for free. Okay? So, yan. Ito yung disk 1. Okay? Ko. Ito yung HDD ko. At ito yung bago kong install na SSD. Naging laptop ko. Okay? So, transfer ko lahat. Itong drive silang na to guys Drive silang na to kung saan nakalagay yung operating system na Windows 10. Ito is upload niya. Okay? To SSD. Okay? Saka itong mga to, yung mga drive D, i-retain ko lang yan. So, naka-store lang yan sa HDD ko. Bali, ito lang, drive silang ang upload ko to SSD. Okay? Then nun guys, after nun, ito yung ibubot ko. Para ito mas mabilis ang aking laptop sa after nun. So, okay? Lang natin to. Then, click nyo lang guys yung migrate OS. Okay? Yan. So, dito, meron dito na how to migrate your OS. This page helps with the right method to migrate them disk. Okay, so dito sa option A, na palitan yung hard disk HDD to SSD. So, I would like to replace system one another hard disk. So guys, dito makakopy yung drive C, drive E, saka yung drive D nyo. Saka yung system disk, yung mismong disk nyo. Okay? Kakopy niya. Lahat ng partition, overall, lahat yun. Kakopy niya. Pati yung lahat ng partition, drive C, lahat yun. Dun sa mismong SD. Okay? Sa option 2 naman, E, I would like to move my operating system to another hard disk and keep original hard disk. So, itong option D, ito yung para sa akin na i-clone niya lang yung drive C sa nakalagay yung Windows, sa Windows ko, D, may nakalagay na operating system, Windows 10. Yung drive C lang ang i-clone niya yung sa SSD. Okay? Okay, so sa akin is upload ko lang drives sa SSD. So, click lang itong option B. Okay? So, yan. System record party. Ito next. Okay, sa destination. Okay, ito yung destination. The OS will migrate its destination, then destination. Okay? So, click natin itong back again. Okay. Okay, so, yan. Yan dito, diba? Yan. Next. Yan. So, yan. This. Okay? So, dito nga migrate. So, click lang yung gain. Ay, next. Then yung yes. Okay, so dito, on this page, you review the changes. Okay, fit partition and 30s and copy. Okay? Okay, dito may pattern 10. Yan. So, lalagay mo lang dyan yung layout. 10. 951. Okay? Yan, guys. Okay, so this sabi dito, to boot from your new disk, please configure your device settings. Make sure na new disk configured as a default disk. So, after nito, guys, is kailangan nyo lang punta lang kayo sa BIOS, and then ang priority nyo yung SSD para mag-boot siya sa SSD with operating system na Windows 10. Okay? Natin finish. And then, click nyo lang apply. Okay, close natin na lang natin, guys. After nito, bigyan na lang kayo, guys, ng update.
12 seconds later.
Restart now. Okay? Para at least dun siya, para ma-continue yung pag-cloning. Okay? Click na natin itong restart now. Sabi, restart your PC to Minitool partition. Wizards will automatically finish rest your pending job. Okay? Click na natin itong restart.
12 seconds later.
Loading na siya. Yan. So, wait lang tayo dito. So, processing niya is 6%, 8%. Okay, try natin. Okay. Mag-wait lang tayo dito, guys, siguro mga 1 hour. Mga 1 hour siguro. Depende rin niya sa size ng sa drive C. Kung marami kayong naka-install na data, okay. Kung malaki yung size ng operating system na naka-install sa drive C nyo, okay, kaya matagal. Okay, so mag-waiting lang tayo dito.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, so guys, yan. Pinili ko lang, guys, yung F5. Okay? Kung pinili ko yung F5, yan, F6 for sample. Yan. Yan, bababa siya. Pag in F6 mo naman, guys, ayun ang priority niya. Ramsta ST 1 TB. Okay? So ngayon, gawin natin, escape lang natin. Yan. Mag-check ulit natin yan sa boot manager. Yan.
Save changes. Yes. Yan, tingnan natin, guys.
Guys, natapos natin yung pagko-clone from HDD to SSD. Ngayon guys, try lang natin i-boot. Okay, yung SSD. Okay, SSD. Okay, let's see kung successful yung pag-clone from HDD to SSD. Okay. Okay, yan na guys. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so yan guys. Successful yung pag-clone from HDD to SSD. Okay, try lang natin guys mag-login, okay?
12 seconds later.
So, this for the update. So guys, nakalagin na ako sa aking laptop. So, check natin guys. Okay, kung talagang nag-clone yung from HDD to SSD. Okay, check muna natin guys sa Task Manager para makita natin yung disk drive. Okay, saka yung SSD. Okay, dito tayo sa performance. Okay, so ngayon guys, ito ngayon guys yung this one, F saka C. Okay, so yung drive C guys, ito na yung SSD at ito na yung HDD na E saka D. Okay, so yun guys, pansin nyo, nagkaroon siya ng disk transfer rate. Okay, so ito na yung SSD na load ko from HDD to SSD. Okay, punta tayo dito guys sa my computer. Okay, punta tayo sa drive C. Ito na guys yung SSD na nandito na meron na siyang Windows. Okay, 1 terabyte na. Okay, yun lang guys. Okay, so yun lang guys kung paano tayo mag-clone from HDD to SSD. Okay, so if you have questions guys, please let me know. And then, sasagutin kagad ako sa mga questions nyo, okay? So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ito, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click all notification bell button para updated kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys, and God bless. Stay safe, and bye-bye.